Are you ready to turn your passion into profits? If you've been thinking about starting a blog but don't know where to start, then keep watching. In this video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process to start a profitable blog in 2023. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the exact steps I took to start a profitable blog that generates consistent income. Blogging is one of the best ways to share your ideas, connect with people, and make money online. So, let's get started. The first step to starting a successful blog is finding your niche. This could be anything from fashion, beauty, travel, finance, or food. The key is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and have knowledge in. Choose a domain name and hosting provider. Once you've found your niche, it's time to choose a domain name and hosting provider for your blog. Make sure your domain name is easy to remember and relevant to your niche. As for hosting, there are many great options out there, such as Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Create quality content. Quality content is essential to the success of your blog. Make sure your content is engaging, informative, and relevant to your niche. Don't forget to use eye-catching visuals to enhance your blog posts. Promote your blog. Once you've created quality content, it's time to promote your blog. You can do this by using social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Don't be afraid to reach out to other bloggers in your niche for collaborations and guest posting opportunities. Monetize your blog. There are several ways to monetize your blog, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and advertising. Make sure to disclose any sponsored content and always provide value to your readers. Starting a profitable blog in 2023 is a great way to make money online and pursue your passion. Remember to find your niche, choose a domain name and hosting provider, create quality content, promote your blog, and monetize it. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your blog into a successful online business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.